Today I'll be making vegetarian ramen. こんにちは, I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook. Many of my friends are so surprised when they tried this ramen and found that it was vegetarian. The broth is rich and creamy, just like tonkotsu ramen. Please like and subscribe to my channel for new video updates. Now let's get started.
Put kombu and 2 dry shiitake mushrooms in 1 cup of water and soak for 30 minutes. Place a bowl on top so they are completely submerged in the water. Grind 2 tablespoons of toasted white sesame seeds. Grate the ginger until you have 1.5 teaspoons. Then mince or press 2 cloves of garlic. Separate the green and white parts of the green onions. Cut the white part into thin rounds. We'll use it for the soup broth. Cut the green part also into thin rounds. We'll use it for the garnish. Cut the bok choy into quarters lengthwise and rinse clean. After 30 minutes, transfer the vegan dashi to a medium saucepan. On low heat, slowly bring it to an almost boil. This slow extraction will help enhance the dashi flavor. Right before boiling, remove the kombu and mushrooms. Transfer to a measuring cup. If you don't have 1 cup of dashi, add water until you have 1 cup. Let's make the soup broth. In a medium saucepan, add 1 tablespoon of roasted sesame oil, garlic, ginger, and the white part of the green onions. Cook on medium heat until fragrant. Add 1.5 tablespoons of tobanjan and 1.5 tablespoons of miso. Stir constantly so they don't burn. Add 1 tablespoon of sake, ground sesame seeds, and 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix it all together. Gradually stir in 2 cups of unsweetened soy milk. Then add 1 cup of dashi. Taste the soup. Adjust with the salt and white pepper if needed. Cover the pot and turn off the heat. In a pot of boiling water, add the bok choy, stem end first. Cook the bok choy for 2 minutes. When the bottom end is tender, remove from the heat. Loosen up the fresh ramen noodles and cook 1 serving at a time. Cook the noodles according to the package instructions. When they are done cooking, shake off excess water and transfer them to a ramen bowl. Pour the hot soup broth over the noodles. Top with spicy bean sprout, kimchi, and other toppings. If you're not vegan, you can add a ramen egg. Enjoy!
If you're looking for more delicious ramen recipes, here's another one to try. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. またね!